Akwaba and found Ragan and Sem TVGH so what friend me Ajua searching.
And let me tell you, the way ye national cathedral a cow bintin a bessin yet to be seen no babyano. Abrofona ye already saw do sika close to about $700 million a national cathedral because they are not working. And you demonize it, no. Where are the documents now? Honorable Samuel Kude to Abla Kwade Chile say National Cathedral for this cabinet way. Ya former delight for Anna. And I need no near. Where is Prophet Kofi Oduro? Oh, why? So for penny would tell was solid them because what this will be neka, it is said I want no. Oh, yes, sir. And His Excellency John Dramani, Mama say. And you true and can look at ya and be a nipper be a beginning pobeswa or betrebian or mini. Was the National Cathedral? No, you have a sent to National Cultural Convention Center. As of for are we happy? There be a Cassianco Ponwy in Amobo. Won't we in Amobo? See, you know, purpose to the year among your semua. You will ask us. You may be beside some. Yankopon obe pesa yasem sofu mo timi boni nyanma sofu dua on kinkan chi o obi anfa akrata bia nchire no but because what is ye ka etimi be someone here in National Cathedral me pass National Cultural Convention Center no e be Ghana ska o be ye free IMF and they be free IMF. We know the value of everything, but we don't know the importance of anything. Oh my God, Nsiah, so mama watching up.
I say, light about the muscle. Takura the pine, voter beating pine, light in the muscle. Now you're pine. The other $58 million. The other National Cathedral. Now more Missicano, Muna. What you put them who branding perform that if you say the party water, we see every problem in our chapter and come on the also for Yamin Chiauka, or my bebre, or yellow put our bebre, or yellow, put our four bebre. What's the put our bebre? What's the put our bebre? What's it? What was your food in our bebre? Minimum got to our dinosaur. Now we see my castle will be a one pagan a year. Now, up pagan and Nkwasia. Home, I'm here to my Yami home. I'm here to my. To me, I'm here to my.
Okay, so videos ready a dozen. Now, me jumpe best bakumi no other videos be. Na Weber. Now, some kaya, Mampeni, a part the Minister for Local Government, Religious Affairs and Chieftaincy. Honorable Ibrahim Ahmed Obafia on Bedouin. Yenidi commander because religious affairs action as sentinel directly. It be a question about the National Cathedral. Shall we?
See, the dear Medri, me catch Roman Penny say, Mini National Cathedral for no. Barifa Amami.
Okay.
Into Mini Omo Nyama Ashia, ya first meeting. Okay. Many individuals are first meeting. Many as a group are first meeting. Okay. Yes, our second meeting. And we vowed to speak out the truth to each other. Okay. Until say we know. Okay. I should not be putting this.
So you are here to have a finalized decision.
There will be a finalized. There's audit going on.
Okay.
And auditing we and fund some man. So why should we preempting the funding? But Deloitte, okay, group of Deloitte is auditing this. Those things will come out. But until say about out no, on the National Cathedral, we demonize it to the point to say, even if there's something proper in it, you can't say it. And the starting was also problematic. So even certain things outrun others. Inti ama say one we now will come when someone I will say you create problem for yourself. Inti yema audit funding no emra na me ne omo engagement no so emra ansa na ya trans inti ye ne dem ebe he fa na bibi ko yi he fa na bibi to chima se wanye sa na me so as a sector minister me betra wo ade no manye ni yi kura se ni se Akwasi nti china ofre mpanyin.
And let me tell you, the way ye national cathedral e ka wo binti na be sin ne ye tibi sin no ba bia no abrofo na ye ready so do sika close to about $700 million e be she national cathedral because they yam na wo ho me di Akwasi Nsiah ye ready ko body afa national cathedral and the role of our pastors in National Cathedral. You say, I think somewhere 2021 more baby, yeah. And the SY Nanado Dankwa led MPP government. It one among say, and it's what they want to know for the Ewo, a Pamoni Yankopon Ekoeno. Obemano Abemu live the Amagana. And it say obesi a cathedral. Yeah, a wobes a 5,000 sitting capacity. Now I know you bet me a year in Shemudi Cassie BLBL. Simply say and penifo a you are a tire baby attack no state house any one of no. Here yan one sa ABM. So you didn't meet me a national cathedral. Be a man and say Makaya, yeah, national Thanksgiving service, yeah, now one thing, and yefesa, Elizabeth me a national cathedral honum. So it had all areas apart from himself come from stay on the air. Not yet should any woman. There were other sectors, a woman, there's a national cathedral on one, a whole building on its own. Now the national cathedral no a chance and celebrate and a bar home. Near Bedimutiti may pa a say $58 million a national cathedral more, it cannot be accounted for. A bim kwa betu bia kwa se national cathedral akasa kwa esukra ni mfaso omunim de enti Ghana fo hia kwan Ghana fo pensuo ye nkane awosem enyina ye yesuku sem ye asopete edue peyo no mamu anya sika ye $58 million akwa national cathedral mu. So they're thinking a reason of some Ghanaians to be said at least ye ma Ghana fo nya ahoto ya brabo mu nanka ya baby bisa yetimi aye baba bi o mani ejina pempe no na nye papa. So the issue can see about the accounting of National Cathedral sika ye de akwakochemu asofu be kaseti aye asofu bebre kaseti National Cathedral ba ku ne hwe Prophet Kofi Oduro on National Cathedral.
Where is God in government? Where does God stand in the Jubilee House? Does our president fear God? Why is it that this National Cathedral have robbed